The Engineering Leadership Institute is more than a program. It's a launch pad for leaders. It is a 100% partnership between the College of Engineering and the Foster School of Business. It provides not only a unique experience, but an amplification of what each school could provide individually.
The Engineering Leadership Institute, I believe, is going to shape the future of engineering by creating a new kind of employee. We take our technically brilliant engineers and they pair that with strategic vision and the ability to lead an organization that's as good as it gets.
I think every organization would benefit from sending individuals to the Engineering Leadership Institute because it takes their current workforce and upskills them so that they're ready to take on the next challenge.
This program is for all engineers. It's not just for engineers from technical computer science. It's for engineers from manufacturing, infrastructure, biotechnology. If you're an engineer, this is designed to take those technical skill sets and really convert them into a way to think about organizational behavior and strategy.
Engineering Leadership Institute is designed by purpose to focus on AI. AI is changing everything. What we want to do is prepare tomorrow's leaders to meet a transformative moment in the business community.
It's hybrid. It's for the working professional. So you can get a lot of educational time without having to travel, stay in your job as you move forward.
The Engineering Leadership Institute is designed to take technically competent individuals, turn them into effective communicators so that they can be critical decision makers.